Okay, so we're starting the next topic, and this is relative maxima and minima, fancy sounding name. It's still coming from 2.7. It still has to do with your homework number 10. It has to do with your homework number 10. Okay, so here we go. Starting my piece of paper. I've got my pencil. And let me write down the topic as follows. It is called, again, it's a little bit strange sounding name, relative minima, maxima and minima, or vice versa. Maxima and minima. Okay, so now we've got a graph that we got to take a look at, and I got to make this a pretty big graph. So this is going to take a while just to get it fixed up. You got -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. You've got 1, you've got 2, you've got 3, 4, etc. That's good enough. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's good enough. And over here, we've got -1, -2, -3, negative, negative, -4, -5, -6. All right, so here's what the graph looks like. The graph goes like this. It goes like this. It comes down as follows, and it hits around right over here. Then it turns around, and it comes up, and it goes to here, right around here. And then it moves over to the space right around here. And finally, it goes up, and this goes to infinity, and this goes to infinity. So, where is the maximum in this on this interval right over here? Where are the maxima, and where are the minima? So this is the highest point on the interval. This interval right over here. The highest point is the maxima. And the lowest point is minima, is the minima. You can have more than one maxima or minima. Okay, so the answer is right over here. This point over here is -1, comma, -5. So a minima, a relative minima, a relative minima is A relative minima is at -1, comma, -5. And there's another one. Right over here is one of the lowest points, right? Lowest point. So here's another lowest point. So another one of the relative minimas is 4, comma, -2. As far as the maxima is concerned, relative maxima is concerned, there's only one. And where do we find that relative maxima? That's the highest point. Highest point, right over here. And where is that? That is 1, 2, and 1. So it's at, the coordinates are 2, comma, 1. And this is the entire, this is the answer. This is the answer. Let's get, this is the answer for this question. This whole thing is the answer. And that's it for this video.